Brace yourselves for a day of celestial intrigue as the sun continues to surprise us with its dynamic behavior. Despite a relatively calm demeanor in the past 24 hours, the sun is keeping us on our toes. According to the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center, no major solar events have been recorded recently. The sun's current stability offers a brief respite, yet hints of activity on the horizon cannot be ignored. The geomagnetic stage is set for an electrifying display. The 3-day forecast predicts mild to moderate geomagnetic conditions, with the KP index ranging from 3 to 5. This range signals minor disturbances that could spark enhanced auroras in higher latitudes. While satellite operations and power grids are unlikely to face significant disruptions, the allure of the auroras dancing across the polar skies is undeniable. Solar wind and magnetic field. Solar winds are whistling past Earth at moderate speeds of 300 to 400 kilometers per second, coupled with a weak to moderate southward BZ component in the Interplanetary Magnetic Field, IMF. These conditions hint at the possibility of minor geomagnetic activity. Notably, no significant coronal mass ejections, CMEs, are expected to strike Earth in the coming days, keeping the threat of major disturbances at bay. Aurora enthusiasts, rejoice! The NOAA's Aurora dashboard indicates that the northern and southern lights will grace the night skies, especially at higher latitudes. Tonight and tomorrow night promise mild but mesmerizing auroral displays, offering a celestial spectacle for those lucky enough to witness it. The airwaves remain relatively clear today, with no significant solar flares detected to disrupt radio communications. However, brief and minor degradations in HF radio communications and low-frequency navigation signals are possible on the sunlit side of Earth. Vigilance is advised, particularly for those relying on these critical systems. Today's space weather conditions are largely tranquil, yet tinged with a hint of excitement. With low to moderate geomagnetic activity, sky gazers in higher latitudes can look forward to stunning auroral shows. Stay updated with the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center and Space Weather Live for the latest forecasts and alerts. In an unexpected twist, solar activity is poised to intensify. NOAA's latest analysis reveals a 70% chance of an M-class solar flare and a 25% chance of a powerful X-class solar flare. The sunspot number stands at a formidable 146, with 2 new regions emerging. The 10.7 cm solar radio flux has surged to 178, indicating heightened solar activity. NOAA forecasts a minor R1-R2 radio blackout today with a 70% probability and a 25% chance of a strong R3-R5 blackout. Such solar flares can wreak havoc on radio communications, GPS systems, and other vital infrastructure. Stay informed and prepared as these solar storms develop. A major network upgrade by the SWPC is scheduled for today. During this time, expect potential disruptions in space weather data and communications. Plan accordingly to avoid any inconveniences. The anticipated M9. 3 coronal mass ejection has grazed our planet, elevating solar wind speeds to 430 km and increasing the interplanetary magnetic field strength, BET, to 15 NT. This modest impact has prompted a minor G1 geomagnetic storm watch for the remainder of today. In a dramatic turn, departing sunspot region 3697 unleashed an X1, 5 solar flare, R3 strong, at 11:08 UTC. As it crosses the west limb, the flare's powerful energy could trigger further geomagnetic disturbances. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing situation. For the latest updates and detailed forecasts, visit the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center and Space Weather Live. Stay safe and enjoy the celestial wonders from the safety of Earth. Please share, like, and subscribe.